From NBC News, this is Today.
Got some new developments to tell you about this morning in the tragic death of a teenager last month on an amusement park ride in Florida. NBC senior national correspondent Tyre Sampson has been following this one. He's got the very latest for us. Tyre, good morning.
Well, good morning. 14-year-old Tyre Sampson died after plunging 430 feet at 75 miles an hour on a thrill ride at Orlando's Icon Park. This morning, in a preliminary report, state investigators are revealing that safety equipment on there had been adjusted before the teenager took the ride. We should warn you, some of the images in this report are difficult to watch.
All of us remember.
Officials in Florida revealing stunning new details about the Orlando amusement park accident that took the life of 14-year-old Tyre Sampson.
Yeah, how you going? 430 feet.
That's great.
Sampson was riding the FreeFall ride at Icon Park last month before slipping out of his seat and plunging to his death when it came hurtling down. According to an outside engineering firm hired by the state, the ride's operator allegedly changed sensors on 2 seats, including Sampson's, leaving the teenager not properly secured.
The operator of the Orlando drop tower made manual adjustments to the ride, resulting in it being unsafe.
The report says the change to the sensor on Sampson's seat allowed his safety harness to open to almost double its normal range, from 3 inches to almost 7.
These misadjustments allowed the ride to operate, even though Mr. Sampson was not properly secured in the seat.
During slowing of the ride, the report concludes Tyre Sampson slipped through the gap between the seat and harness. In a statement, Icon Park says it's deeply troubled by the report. The Slingshot Group, which owns and operates the FreeFall ride, tells NBC News all protocols, procedures, and safety measures provided to us by the manufacturer of the ride were followed. Sampson's family says he weighed nearly 360 pounds and that he was turned away from other rides at the park because of concerns about his size. You represent the family in the civil arena. Is there a criminal component to this, do you believe?
When you start talking about intentional conduct and you start manipulating seats for profit, I think that you start getting into some intentional conduct that the state attorney's office should possibly look at.
It's just terrible on so many levels, Tyre. This report that you referenced in your story reveals a lot of new information, but officials are also signaling it's just the beginning of a wider investigation. Is that right?
That's correct, Craig. They say that this is a preliminary report and they are far from done. There may have been other adjustments made to the ride that may have contributed to this young boy's death. One state representative who has reviewed the situation says that it appears that to him, these adjustments were made simply to allow larger riders on the ride. Guys?
Tyre Sampson for us there in Florida. Tyre, thank you.